Today is January 5th. I hope your new year is going good. We're going to do a little unboxing of my latest order from Farmasi. Yeah, I went ahead and opened it so we didn't have to do that online. So, first of all, we got this concealer brush. It's a Farmasi brush. It's very soft, so it's going to go good. Just right for that eye area. Then we got the Wink contour stick. That's pretty. We get to try that later. Wink. And I got a few samples for one of my girls, my Janice, and one for me for the Air CC cream and the VX Pro. I love the VX Pro foundation. And then we got the brow setting. I'm going to use this. My brows are hard to see and I really need to pluck them and trim them. So let's get going. Let's just wash our face. This is our Farmasi Sensi wipes. Always clean your face. I don't never use a cleanser in the mornings. I just usually use either one of these or a very warm hot washcloth just to get all that off. Now, let's go on with this brow wax. The thing even comes, it's pretty big size. Just gonna take a little bit. I may have to use a darker eyebrow gel so I can see my eyebrows, but this will kind of help it. Brush them up. If y'all struggle with having blonde eyebrows, let me know what you do so you can see your eyebrows so you can trim them. We're going to use our big mirror where I can see. Okay, so brush them up. And then you're just going to trim them. Maybe. Let's use this instead. It's got to where I can just cut it. I don't have the batteries are dead in it, but the blade still works. I don't think this is going good. Okay, we went for the battery in this. have to be careful not cut your eyebrow off. You'll be like, no eyebrows. When you have blonde eyebrows, I think I got this like at the Five and Below store a couple years ago. I forget that I have it. You can see it does cut. Trying to get some of them little hairs. I may have to pluck some. You can, maybe you can see it or not, but it's got some hairs on there. Remember, your eyebrows are sisters, not twins. So they're not going to be identical. They're fraternal. Ooh, yeah, that looks much better.